All right, we're going to go ahead and finish our fish base now. So as we look down, see I've already got this here, and I just need to dog ear the sides. So I'm going to open this up, get this across like so. I'm going to crease this really good, just up to this crease point here, because I want to be able to lift this back up, lift this point back up. I'll work it in these corners here, and make sure that this point here is good and exact. There we go. That's the first half. Go ahead and flip over here and do the second half. Roll it up like so. Back down, make sure these points are good and together. This point up here is happening. There we go. Fold it down. There we go. There's our fish base.